Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the C510 error in your Roomba vacuum cleaner. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the error C510 prevents the robot from cleaning or emptying its bin properly. So here are some possible fixes to this error. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to remove the vacuum bin or vacuum bin. So remove the vacuum bin from the robot by pressing the release or bin release button on the back of the robot. So thus this will detach the bin from the robot and will allow you to inspect it for any problems. And then the next thing that you need to do is to check for any debris or damages. So check for any debris or damage on the bin, so the sensor or the connection port. So clean them with a soft cloth if needed, because sometimes dust or dirt can block the sensor or connection port and cause a false error. So therefore, you can use a cloth or soft cloth to wipe them clean gently, and further you should check for any cracks or dents on the bin that might affect its fit or function. And then next, what you can do is to reinstall the vacuum. So reinstall the vacuum bin by sliding it into the bin slot until it clicks into place. So thus, you need to attach it firmly to the robot, and this will reconnect the bin to the robot and the sensor. You will click, or you will hear a click sound after you attach the bin securely. And additionally, you can wiggle the bin slightly to ensure it is not loosed. And for the last part of this video, what you can do is to restart the vacuum. So press the button on the top of the robot to restart it. So this will clear the error code and resume the cleaning cycle. And if the error is fixed, you should see a green light on the robot's screen and hear a voice saying ready to clean. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can fix the C510 error on your Roomba vacuum cleaner. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.